following video shows you how easy it is to buy a car online at www.horderns.co.uk. First, go to the New Car section on the home page of the website. Here, select the orange tab and this takes you through to a New Car stock locator. The stock locator lists all the cars in Horderns stock that are available for immediate delivery. Once in the stock locator, you can search for cars using the selection tools, price, or a monthly payment. For this example, I've selected four-wheel drive vehicles. Then, choose from the list of the vehicles on the screen. I'll choose a Suzuki Ignis All Grip to work with. From here, there are three basic steps to buying the car. Step 1. Choose a purchase option. You can choose to finance the car either through hire purchase or a PCP, or simply pay for the car outright. I'm going to demonstrate buying the car on one of the finance options. Here, once we've selected a car, this allows quotations to be created before pressing the buy button. I've selected a PCP. I'm then entering the length of the agreement, the deposit, and the annual mileage. Once the quote is generated, there is a comparison quote with the other finance option. Step 2. When you press the buy button, you progress to the next stage. Here you can refine your finance quote by adding a part exchange, additional items, and finally reserving the vehicle by paying a small deposit. I'm now going to demonstrate adding a part exchange. First, enter a reg number for your part exchange vehicle. The system locates the vehicle information. Once you've checked that the information is correct, you can press continue. You then answer some simple questions about your car. Click continue and enter your mileage. You then have three options to describe the condition of your car: excellent, average, and below average. If you click each option, a description list drops down explaining what each option means. Click the option most appropriate to your car. Answer the question and press continue. You will then be asked if you have any outstanding finance on your existing car. If the answer is yes, enter it on the system. The system will then calculate the value of your car, and if there is any outstanding finance, it will deduct this to offer you the available balance as a deposit to add to your new vehicle quotation. Click the appropriate button if you want to add this deposit, and it will automatically be added to your finance quote. You then progress on to the next stage where you can add extras to your vehicle and confirm your reservation. Each available option from the chosen vehicle is listed in this category. Click the down arrow next to each category to expand the list, and click on the item to add it to the transaction. Once this is complete, you can click on the reserve key This takes you through to a section where you can enter your personal details. Before entering your details, please read the privacy notice and confirm. You can then enter your personal details. Step 3 is to finalise the transaction. If you have chosen to finance the car, you click on the next section and complete a finance application form. For this, you will need general personal information, information about where you have lived and worked for the last 3 years, including postcodes, and finally, your bank account details, where the direct debit payments will be made from. The last 2 steps would be to choose if you would like your vehicle to be delivered or collected from the dealership. Delivery charges are £1 a mile from the dealership. And the final step is to complete your order. This concludes the video presentation. Good luck with your online transaction.